Your live class of computer science. Students, hope everyone written work is completed on your notebook and start the revision. So now we just this is for your revision module and we're sharing the two chapters. Okay. So students, now everyone have a book. So open the MS Excel. This is the revision class. So see everyone. This is the Microsoft Excel. This is your first chapter regarding the annual exam, and here we will discuss students. This is the revision module. So everyone done what is MS Excel? MS Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program, and what we can do with the help of this one. Their features is MS Excel present the data in a tabular form. The first one, we can mathematical calculation we can do, and data also we can form as a charts, and using the formulas and functions we can calculate the mathematical operations. Okay, how to start the MS Excel? So so students, we just want to tell how we can start. First go right there Excel. Okay, now I've written the Excel. Yes, Excel 2016 we have. Okay, it is going to open students. Okay students, now blank workbook is given. This way we will open the MS Excel. Okay students, this is given. By double clicking on the mouse on the MS Excel icon displayed on the desktop. This is Windows 7, but we have Excel 2016 students. Now after open, they ask what is worksheet. Worksheet, what the page we are seeing that first of all, students. This is the worksheet. Okay, first worksheet we have got sheet 1. So students, this way a spreadsheet also known by the name of worksheet, the rectangular sheet that is visible on the screen in which small cells are available. In a cell we can store data and can copy, move, etc. Okay students, also we can use the formula and functions. The size of worksheet which is visible on the opening screen of MS Excel is only a part of the whole worksheet. The entire worksheet is very big in size. Yes students, when you will see this, you can see here it is a very big size. When you're you can see here U. Okay, very big size. See is going on. Okay, and same way it is row. It is also moving. So we can say that's why here given very big size. What is a workbook? Workbook is such a file in which a number of worksheets and chart can be stored. Yes students, we can see here students, suppose this is a worksheet. Now 2, 3, 4, 5 and much more we have. So these are our worksheet. This is one workbook. The book 1 is given and workbook having a number of sheets. Okay, so there is given workbook is such a file in which number of worksheet and chart can be stored. Okay, and by default in the window in 2013 sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, but in 16 only sheet 1 is showing. Students, cell pointer. Students, you can see here, this one is this location, this is cell pointer. See it, this cell pointer, the address is G4. Okay, this cell pointer, the address is L7. This cell pointer is the E14. So there is given students cell pointer. Okay, opening a workbook, you know how to open the workbook, we have told just now, students. And by the quick access toolbar also we can open this one. Status bar and worksheet, active cell. So worksheet status bar, you know students, status bar appears at the bottom of the Excel window, provide quick information such as count, sum, average, minimum and maximum value of the selected numbers. Here given students, we can see here. See here, this is the status bar. Here maximum, minimize, we can do this one. This is the normal page layout. This is we can move like this. Sheet 1, sheet 2, when we start something right, there the ready will come. Okay, this way we can see students. Now worksheet, we have already worksheet. See students, there are how many columns? Total columns there is given 16,384. These are columns. And when we talk about the rows, 10,48,576. This is the rows. Okay, active cell data is always entered in the active cell. We have told just cell pointer, that is the active cell. Column letter, we know that A, B, C. You can see students. This is column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is rows. Okay, that's why there is given students column letter, formula bar, name box, and row number, sheet tab. See students, each and everything one by one. This is students from name box. This is a formula bar students. Okay, formula, we can write the formula, and this is name box, we can see the column of name. Suppose this active cell is here, so F and 8 is showing the name box. Formula, suppose you want to add here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Okay, we want to add it, we will just write here equal sum, then bracket, from where we have start, from this way. Okay, then colon and last one. Okay, and close the but. See here students, 159. This formula bar we have used this function, sum function. Okay, now we added this number. Clear? How entering data in the worksheet, just now we have told students. This is all the functions key. Sort, if you want to go home, if you will use the home keys, they are in the on the your if you are using a laptop or their desktop, their keyboard is given home. Move the active cell highlight to column A, students. Control plus home keys, they highlighted the cell A1. So same like a control plus end key, they highlighted to active cell. Move on column right by this way, move on column left, row up and row down. Okay, page up, first row is spreadsheet, and second page down, then next sheet. Okay students, this way we have to do. I think each and everything you have done students. This shortcut keys you have used. Working with the cell and cell address. Yes students, just now we have told you, if you are B5, so B is the column and F5 is the rows. E9, E is the column and 9 is the rows. Selecting cells or range. Just now, if you want to add A to E1, okay, press the F8 key, anchor the cursor by this way students. See this. So here students also we can do. Deleted this one. See this. We are just with the mouse we selected this. Okay. Here saying this. Students, press the F8 key. Yes, using this key also we can do students. See everyone. F8 key. Okay, this way we can by this way. If suppose here, if your F8 key you have used, okay, so students, if control keys, then also see this, also we are doing this, clear. So here is given by the control keys also, escape and click anywhere, clear the highlighted. There is given left mouse button, the mouse move to cell A1 to C5. Yes, students, just now we have done. And continue to hold down the control key also, we are getting the, no, like this, we will get the shadows. Okay, select it. Now cell referencing in MS Excel. Name box, the cell reference is given, students. Okay, so name box display, every formula start from the equal sign. Three types of data can be entered in a worksheet. First of all, numbers, text and formula. Numbers, what we can put there, 0 to 9 numbers and some special symbols like this. By default, all things are right aligned. Right line. See students, suppose you want to write number. See here, we have written the left, but it's showing the right. Here, say right hand side. Okay, so that's saying here, numbers are right line in a cell. Text, this is left line. See students, suppose you are writing something, here we have written this, okay, only left, they are not going. But if you are writing number, so what happened there, going to right side. So by default, this is character value we can write as the left and numeric value we can write as the right side. Okay students, formula, you know, every formula start from the equal sign. Saving a workbook, how we can save it? Save one, how we can save? Suppose whatever things you have done, go on the file menu. Okay, there's save as option. With this one we can save. Okay students, there is given save as dialog box, book 1 dot xlx is suppose they are given. They all the shortcut keys given student. To save, if you want to save the worksheet, Control plus S. If you copy the cell, Control plus C. If you select, if you want to select the entire worksheet, the whole, you have to use the Control plus A. If you want to paste after Control copy data, if you want to paste it, so Control plus V. Suppose you have done some wrong or right, whatever things, if you want to repeat it, Control plus Z. After Control plus Z, if you have done, again recall it, then Control plus Y. If you want to save as dialog box, if you want to open F12 keys, if you want to open any dialog box, if you want to see the file, so Control plus O. If you want to print the worksheet, then Control plus V. So these all are control keys, very important. So learn students this one. Close a workbook. If you want to close, then you have to use the go on the your new options. Okay, here you will get file options. You will get there. If you will not save, then these things will come. If you have saved, no problem there. Okay, close, exit. If you go on the click on the exit button, so you will exit from your window or Excel. Okay students, now here we have done these things, how to insert a column. Okay, I am telling insert a column, insert a row, students. You can see students, if you insert a column, suppose we are removing this one, we have written here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we want to add here column. So go on the right click, there's a insert, see the students, now added here. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we can distinguish because there only one column is added, so we want to do one more column, so insert, see there, column added now. Also you can add distance from here. Suppose you want to add two columns, go on the format, insert, and insert cells, insert sheet columns. See, 2 columns is added. Same way, if you want to add here 3, we have selected, we want to gap here. Insert options, insert the sheet rows. See here, they are inserted. Also, if you right click on here, insert, so it is inserted. Clear students? So both way you can insert, by the insert you're in home tab or by the right mouse click button. Okay. Next one, students. This thing we have discussed. Now students, adding the numbers, how we can add the numbers, students. Just now we have told you, but we want to discuss. Suppose students, here we have written the name, there is the Hindi, Maths, then English. Okay, 3 subjects we have taken. Name we have written A, B, C and D. Okay, marks we have taken out of 100, 67, 89 and 90. Okay, similar here 45, 89 and 90. Okay, similar 67, 76, 87, here 98, 99 and 80. Okay, this thing we have done, students. Now if you want to total, how we have to total, students? We have to use the equal. See students, we click on this address, then plus, then click on this here, then plus. Now I've taken all the things, enter. Now we will get this answer and drag it. Okay students, this is the first way. Second, equal sum function bracket, click on here, then semicolon, then click on there, close the braces. See students, again same but difference method. Now students, next auto sum and is very shortcut keys. Okay, so you know that the 3 ways we have told you, students. So this way you can use this sum function. Okay, applying a formula, just now we have told same thing. And using undo and redo function, students, you can see here, if suppose we have deleted, date option we have used. Now if you want to call Control Z, say students, all the value has come. If you want to again replace it, Control Y, again gone. If you want to call Control Z, okay, Control Y for whatever you have repeated by Control Z. If you want to replace it, so you have to use the Control plus Y. Okay, so this way you can do it, students. The same thing is given. Function, some function, just now we have told you by this way. Students, max function, yes students, just I want to tell the max, mean and average. CV1, suppose here we have used, here we want to use max, mean and average. Okay, average. Here CV1 equal sign, then max function, equal max bracket, start from this place, then colon and up till this place, close the bracket. Say students, 90 is the maximum. Now we want to use the minimum, equal mean bracket, same thing, from A, semicolon, then D, close the bracket. See this, 45 is the minimum. If you want to all the things, you need to drag it. See here, 89 is the maximum, Here 899 is the maximum. If minimum 67 is the minimum, 80 is the minimum. Now average equal average. See students, average. Okay. Now start from semicolon. Close this. Okay, we have got this one. Okay students, this is the average function. Okay, understood students? So by this way, mean, max, we have told. Recap students, just now whatever we have told here. Yes students, also be prepared for your exam. Can ask from this your book. Okay, so you have to prepare, and this thing you have to learn students. This is very all the important students. You will do all things we have told you this. These are things. Now students going to start the new chapter. This is the not a new. This is the next chapter. Internet. Students, internet. You know, internet. This search site can search the enormous database, web pages using titles, keywords, or text. We can maximize the potential of search engines by learning how they work and how to use them quickly and effectively. The challenge to ask your questions right way, so you don't end up overwhelmed with too many search results. Clear students? And here, what the popular search engine are here? Yahoo, Google, AltaVista, InfoSeek, Ask Jeeves, Lycos. These all are the your search engine. So in web search engine students, this thing open students. Now Google Chrome. Is opening students. Taking time. Okay students. Here there is given a web search engine is an interactive tool to help the people locate information available via that is via World Wide Web, a www, full form of this. A web search engine provides an interface between the users and underlying database. Now students, it is open. See here. This is the search tools. We want to search anything students, suppose about science, about computer, or science we can say. See this, more science we can see students here. So we can search. A web search engine provides an interface between the users and underlying database. The interface presents the user with a place to type the search text. Just now we have typed student, then we will get the answer. The web search engine runs the search text against the database, whatever we have typed, and search engine will find out this text, whatever we have user has written, it is written or not in this library. Return a list of resources that match the criteria and display the result for the user. We search for food in Google brings up some 130 billions web pages. The search engine does not try to find out what you are really looking for. Still, a lot of internet searches actually ask questions like this: sports, books, news. So what do? You have to refine your questions. You become more specific. You provide more information. Yes, students. They're saying that how to you will find your if you are finding on the Google. So spend time before you search and analyze what actually you want to looking. Use nouns for your queries. Avoid conjunctions like a verb, adverb, and adjectives. Use always keywords, phrases, and use and. Okay. Start your search by using 2 or 3 related words. Then you can get. Huh? And they are generally keep overall query length limited to 6 to 8 keywords. Use advanced search. Download from the web. Yes, the same criteria. If you want to download, so you just click on the file and save as option. Then you will get the your to save text. Same thing here. Say students, if you suppose here written about science, we have written plus technology. And what happens, students? See here, science and technology has come. Okay, so by this way you can search. You just open it. Now it is going to open, students. Say students. If you want to save this, students, right click and save as option. Now desktop, science and technology. Okay, save. Now if you want to see this file is saved or not, yes, students, save science and technology, students. Okay, then after that, students, how to save files, we have told students these things all. Saving images, the right click on and then save as. By this way, that picture will go in the picture gallery. You can save there. And GIF, Geographic Interface Format, and Joint Photographic Space Group. GIF, this is the you know that this is like a picture, and MPEG, this is a moving photographic expert. They the some response for video clip. Students, now we just talk about the dot. Suppose there is given information about the suffix like a .com is commercial website, .org organization site, .edu. You have to learn, student. This is very important. Edu, a school, college or universities, .gov government sites, .net network sites. Okay, if you want to find out your country, .ca Canada, .gr France, .uk Great Britain, .in India, like this. Okay, students. So students, now this is a recap of this chapter and learn all the questions, students. That is very important. Winner blanks, true, false. Okay, students. So students, now overall we have revised. Also you can see all the videos in your app already we have given you, and by the time you can open and then find out your queries. Okay, students. And students, now prepare everyone because exam is going to start very soon. You know very well your timetable. So students, be prepared, and from the books 2 chapters is given. So 2 chapters just prepare better. That is very important. Okay, students. So God bless you. God bless you, students. Thank you, students. Jai Hind.